In this session, we discussed important compound of carbonyl compounds. Here we discussed chloral. What is chloral? Chloral is one type of carbonyl compound. It contains aldehyde functional group. It is also known as trichloroacetaldehyde. Next preparation. It is prepared by chlorination of ethyl alcohol. Chlorine is passed through cold ethanol and then heated at 60 degrees centigrade till it is saturated to get chloral alcoholate, which is distilled with corn sulfuric acid. It gives chloral. Here I show the reaction. Ethanol reacts with chlorine. It converts to acetaldehyde. On further chlorination, it converts to trichloroacetaldehyde. Then it is treated with the ethanol. It converts to chloral alcoholate. It is distilled with sulfuric acid. It converts to trichloroacetaldehyde, that is chloral. Next, properties of chloral. First reaction is nucleophilic addition. Chloral resembles aldehyde, so it gives nucleophilic addition reaction with HCN, sodium bisulfate, and also involves in condensation reactions with hydroxylamine, hydrazine, and phenylhydrazine, etc. Next reaction is with nitric acid. Chloral is treated with dilute nitric acid. It is oxidation reaction. Chloral is converts to trichloroacetic acid. Here aldehyde functional group is converts to acid group. Third reaction is with aluminum ethoxide. Chloral is treated with aluminum ethoxide. It is a reduction reaction. Chloral is converts to trichloroethanol. Here aldehyde functional group is reduced to alcohol group. So CCl3CHO it converts to CCl3CH2OH. Next, chloral is treated with zinc and HCl. It is also reduction reaction. Here chloral is converts to acetaldehyde. Next, with the base, here sodium hydroxide is used. So chloral is treated with the sodium hydroxide. It converts to chloroform and also sodium formate is formed. Next, with water, since chloral is treated with water, it forms chloral hydrate. Next, with the ethanol, chloral is treated with the ethanol. It converts to chloral alcoholate. Next reaction is with the chlorobenzene. Chloral is treated with the chlorobenzene in sulfuric acid. It converts to DDT. It is an important insecticide. Next, polymerization. Chloral is polymerized. It converts to metachloral. Stability of chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate is a stable compound even it contains two hydroxyl group to the same carbon atom, which is due to inductive effect. Here -I effect is operate and also intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Both these factors stabilize chloral hydrate. What is inductive effect? In chloral, 3 chlorine atoms are present. Due to minus I effect, these 3 chlorine atoms makes the aldehyde carbon is electropositive. More electropositive. It causes film attachment of hydroxyl group. This is the first factor. Second is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The intramolecular hydrogen bonding also stabilizes chloral hydrate molecule. Uses. The uses of chloral is, it is used to manufacture of the insecticide DDT, and chloral hydrate is used as a hypnotic reagent, and also it is used as powerful stimulant.